What do free people take for granted? Answer: free individuals often overlook the fundamental truth that in the presence of a free press is absolutely necessary for the existence of liberty and autonomy. Are there restrictions on press in time of war? Certainly. During times of war, there are indeed limitations imposed on the press. It is worth noting that these restrictions extend beyond just the press and encompass various other freedoms as well, all of which experience a degree of constraint in the constant context of war conditions. What do you mean by the free press? The term free press refers to a situation where where the press operates independently without being controlled or censored by government or any other authoritative entity. Who is the master? The state or people? The ultimate authority resides with the people. They are ones who hold the position of mastery. The state, on the other hand, functions as a servant to the people, carrying out their will and serving their interests. Name the two sources of revenue newspaper usually survive on. The two chief sources of revenue of a newspaper are advertisers, second, the wealth of the company or the man that owns the newspaper. What are the two basic assumptions about the public? The fundamental the the two fundamental beliefs about the public are: A, that they lack of ability to differentiate between truth and falsehood, and B, that they are indifferent to falseness of a statement as well as it is sensational. What is suppression of context? Suppression of context involves selective highlighting certain part while omitting broader picture, disordering meaning, and creating a misleading impression contrary to the original intention. Name